Hello everyone, this is David. I'm back again. I'm doing another project, and this is a voltmeter. I'm using the Sunfounder example to do this, but I'm using a SparkFun Redboard because my Sunfounder Arduino board it's no longer being recognized by my PC. I think I put too much voltage to it, and something happened to it. So it's no longer being recognized by the PC, and I'm a little bit upset. So last night I went shopping on eBay, and I bought I think two more Arduinos. One was for like $2.40 on eBay, and I was like, I sorted it by price and distance and this, and there was one for $2.40, and then there was one for about $6 that I bought from the USA, and then there's another one that's about $3. So I'm going to be replacing or getting some more Arduinos so that I can work on some more projects. I also went to the library today or online, and there's about 24 books in my Bergen County library system. So I'll be reviewing those too and seeing if there's any good information in there that I can use. So we're running a voltmeter today, and I'll show you, this is what the diagram looks like. Now I'll just post up the code here. Here's the code. You can see it's really simple. I mean, it's not simple, but it's just a lot of not a lot of code. Includes the liquid crystal line. It's telling to print voltage value on the LCD screen and tells you to. This is probably the value to calculate the voltage. Now, let me go over to the book here before I show you the project. So, what I do is I look on here, and it tells you it's going to make a voltmeter. It tells you the components. And like I said, my Sunfounder Arduino bit the dust. So I'm a little bit upset. But at least I still can work because I do have another Arduino. But I have to wait a week or two for another Arduino to come in. So this is the book. And now I'm going to show you my project build. Now, I'm using a 18650 battery to power the thing, and then I'm using and this is, it's from 3.7 volts to 4.2 volts, and then I'm using like a little stepper to step it up to 5 volts, and then I'm using the breadboard here, to plugging everything in, and then we have the project itself. And you can see that the voltage value, there's two potentiometers here. One is to control the LCD screen. As you can see, controls the brightness. And then this will decrease. If I go like this, I think it goes all the way down to 0. And to increase it all the way up to 5 volts. Now I have some questions for myself I never had answered. So what I was trying to do in my previous experiment was to say, okay, well, this goes up to 5 volts, but now I want to try, I have some e-bike batteries that go up to 58 volts. So how do I measure those? How do I measure with this? How do I measure something more than like 12 volts or 36 volts? So I think I fried it because I took out the wires here and I put it with a 12 volt system, and that's how my board died. So I have a dead Arduino board. I'm going to put it in my junk pile for now, and then maybe I'll ship it to someone, or I don't know. I'm going to have all my burnt out parts and junky parts and just leave it there until I figure out what to do with it. Maybe barter or trade or do something with someone from YouTube. So I hope you like this video. It's working good. I'm really surprised that so few lines of code does make a working project. And there's a few wires here, but it wasn't no big deal to set up. There's no resistors, just two potentiometers, LCD, a breadboard, some wires, my 18650 battery, battery holder, and a micro USB connector to the smartphone. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.